Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to adjust compass in Google Maps. Sometimes the compass in Google Maps doesn't point the right way, especially when you're walking or navigating in a new area. Calibrating the compass helps the maps rotate properly and improves accuracy. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to adjust that in just a few simple steps. So let's follow these few simple steps together. First step is to open Google Maps app on your phone. And to do that, make sure your location services and GPS are turned on. As you can see, you can do that this compass thing only on your phone. So make sure the location services and GPS are turned on. The second step is to tap the blue dot, your location marker. This represents your current location. Now you can all find this right here on your mobile device. As you can see, I'm using my computer, so I'm not able to see these blue dots right here. The third step is to tap calibrate compass. Now if it's not visible, tap the blue dot again and go to settings, location accuracy, etc. As for the fourth step, perform the figure 8 motion. Move your phone in a figure 8 pattern in the air a few times and you'll see the accuracy improve. It may say high when done. Now, a properly calibrated compass ensures your navigation stays accurate and smooth. It's a quick fix that can make a big difference while using Google Maps, especially on foot. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you adjust compass in Google Maps. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.